Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been browsing through YouTube and seeing some of those organization videos I watched. I think Sophia Negar has done, I might even pronounce the name correctly, has done some organization videos. And I really like to organize my room. My mom's always complaining that my room is really messed up with everything all over the place. Like my laundry is just lying there like it's just peeked out of the closet, and my books are like always laying around. I can't find anything that I needed to use. So I thought, how about I'll just do an organizational video and show you how I organize my room. It's gonna be a lot of relapse and yeah, it's a lot of like common stuff if you want interested in watching it. Just want to show you the before and after and how it's done. Um, yeah, I'm gonna organize my closet. I'm gonna organize my books, my drawers, and I'm probably gonna donate all the stuff that I don't need and never really use, or like the stuff I don't ever gonna use. I'm gonna like recycle it. So yeah, let's get into it. Probably gonna take my budgets take like 2 hours to do it, but I know it's more than that, and it's gonna be a lot more effort. So let's dive into it. So my main goal is to organize my closet. It's shifting from spring to winter, so I'm going to have to take all these pieces out and change them into spring clothes. Right now it's already May, so I might not need all those sweaters and stuff. I'll try it out and tell you if I like them. So this I got at Forever 21, and still crop top, but my stomach is way too big for this. I mean, like, I'm getting fat. Like, when I bought it, I thought I was getting slender, but I experienced some bloating. So this won't look nice. Probably going into the basement. Oh, I have to save the hanger. Scarf I don't need. Scarf I don't need. Sweater 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 I don't need. Sweater, sweater, sweater. It's just a lot of sweater I have in general. Like, I've been to some places, and I've been in one situation where I had no sweater to wear whatsoever. Now I just have too much. Like, some of them I think I'm never gonna wear, so I'm just gonna donate it. Like, I'll show you the ones I don't want to do. I'll never use it. I'll show you how I do it. Like this one. It's like a turtleneck. I don't think I'll ever wear this again. I mean, it's got a stain on it. Like, if you can't see, there's a stain on it. Yeah, I won't wear that again. It's acrylic or something. Probably couldn't scrub it off. Sweater again. Sweater. 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 Like, I have a lot of sweaters. This one is like a crazy shopping adventure I used to have in China. But I'm never gonna wear that again. I mean the sparkle looks nice. But who wears this in North America? Nobody. So I think what I'll do is I'll have to donate this one, even though it looks really nice. So yeah, donate. This one is like an old Harry Potter shirt I bought from Wish. It's got really good advertisement on the back, the collection, but it's made out of really cheap material. Like, I don't think I'll ever wear this in some public places because it's just really cliche looking. I don't know. I thought it was cool when I first bought it, but like when you look at it, it's like made out of like really really cheap material. And I should have gotten a black one instead of a pink one, a red one. As you can see, I have a lot of like warm tone, like red, British looking clothing. So probably never gonna wear this, but I'll donate it, I think. This one is sweater I'm never gonna wear. Sweater never gonna wear. This one shows off my tummy a lot. Like when I wear it, it's just not flattering on the waist. So what I think I'll do with this one is I'll donate it. And it's made out of 90% wool, which is really good, but it's really frizzly in the inside. So I don't think I'll ever wear that. Even though it looks really cute. This one, I'll just leave it. Leave it. I'm debating if I should save this one or not. I mean, it's a cute piece, but like, I don't know, it looks too schoolgirl looking. It's too preppy. I've saved the shirt in the inside, but the outside, I'm debating if I should say I'm donating or not, but like, I'll just think about it. I also have this dress I got from China, in mainland China for a long time. But I don't think I'll ever wear that again. It's really made out of really thick tweed material, and it's double-lined. It's got a really cute drop waist style. Yeah, but like I wear it on some occasions, like just wear a black stocking with this on the top. But again, like I don't know. Like, it seems too flowery here. I'll save it. I got this, which is made of wool, but I don't really wear it. It's too thick for now, so I'll put it in the closet. This one is just a sweater out anywhere. This one's not a sweater. This one's a sweater. So yeah, I saved a lot of hangers here. That's good. Now let's talk about the jackets. The jackets I have, this is another slipper. The jacket I have, this one, it's like a cardigan. So if I wear it, I can wear the jackets like right now. So I can rock that. Like, it looks nice. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah, I'll wear that. I'll save this. Another Logan sweater I bought. I can't believe I bought this. It's good, made of good material, but it's too pricey. It's $40 plus shipping. So I don't know. Somebody want it? Please message me. And I think this dress should go somewhere else. Not sure where should I put it. Probably still in this closet for the summer. These ones I can save. This one, I'll just put it in the basement. I don't think I will wear this. It's made of really shiny material, and I rarely wear this. I mean, I wear this on one occasion and got a compliment from it. It's like this Instagrammable clay kind of jacket. I feel that sometimes, but I just think it's uncomfortable to wear. It's got like this really shiny sequin kind of pattern. I don't know. Good for partying. No, I'm just being silly. You know what? I have a better idea. I'll ask my brother if I should say this or not say this, okay? Wow! Here's all my clothes, and I have to organize it. So, So I just finished organizing my winter clothes, and I'll bring them down to the basement, and I'll bring the spring clothes and the summer clothes upstairs, and my brother's gonna help me. I'll bring the winter and clothes downstairs, and I'll bring the summer clothes upstairs. And I have loads of clothes, so I'm gonna pick the ones I'm gonna keep and donate the ones I'm gonna don't want to wear anymore. Okay. Ta-da! Here is my summer clothes. I think I have them, probably some of them here. The ones I probably want to wear are debatable, but I'm gonna separate them into 3 piles. The ones I won't wear this summer, so I'm gonna put them back in the basement. The ones I will definitely wear this summer, and the ones it's debatable. And yeah, let's get packing. Oh shit. So I'm done switching. I just updated my wardrobe into the clean version of summer wardrobe. Let's see. Yes. Okay, don't mind the clothes in the bottom. Those are dirty laundries. But look at that. So colorful. Yes.